Using 10 years' worth of stored energy, the Titan Arum warms. It starts to release the stench of rotting meat. The smell drifts through the forest, attracting visitors. A carrion beetle. The arum has deceived the beetle into thinking it has discovered a dead animal. The insect is now trapped. The walls are too slippery to climb back up. And now it's surrounded by hundreds of male and female flowers. It can use the female ones like a ladder. Above them, however, are the tightly packed male flowers that lead to an overhang on which there's nothing to grip. But the arum is not about to eat its prisoner. It needs it to remain alive. As the night continues, a transformation takes place. The male flowers start to release pollen. Microscopic granules coat the unwitting beetle. With the sticky substance providing footholds, the overhang is no longer an obstacle, and the beetle flies away to visit other arums, and so spread the pollen, completing the flower's life cycle.